Ever wondered why belly fat seems to be the most stubborn to lose? Why, despite all the crunches, the planks, and the diet plans, it just clings on, refusing to let go? Well, it turns out that there's a little more to shedding those pounds around the middle. Today we're going to delve into 5 effective strategies to bid farewell to belly fat. Starting off with the first strategy, it's all about what's on your plate. It's time to say goodbye to processed foods and hello to whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are full of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet is a surefire way to start melting away that belly fat. Next up is the second strategy: regular, balanced exercise. While it might be tempting to focus solely on abs workouts, it's crucial to remember that a well-rounded exercise regimen is the key to overall fat loss. Combining strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises can help you achieve a toned and healthy physique. On to the third strategy: adequate sleep. It's easy to overlook, but getting a good night's sleep plays a critical role in weight management. Poor sleep can disrupt your metabolism and lead to increased hunger and cravings. So ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. The fourth strategy, and perhaps one of the most vital, is stress management. High stress levels can lead to overeating and weight gain, particularly around the middle. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or even just taking a walk can help keep those stress levels in check. And finally, the fifth strategy is hydration. Drinking plenty of water aids digestion, keeps you feeling full, and even boosts your metabolism. So keep that water bottle handy and stay hydrated throughout the day. To summarize, the path to shedding belly fat isn't about a magic pill or a single exercise. It's about a balanced approach to lifestyle changes. Incorporate whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, maintain a regular exercise routine, ensure you're getting enough sleep, manage your stress levels, and stay hydrated. Each of these steps plays a vital role in helping you achieve your goal. Remember, consistency is key, and with these strategies, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you.